Hello guys, today we'll be talking about South Beach bubbles. These are really fun to go on vacations and when you're with family and with friends. These bubbles bring this, that you put it in this bucket and you put 4 cups of water, and when you're done putting the cups of water, you put this mixture that is the soap for it. Then you just mix it around with the stick and you use this to make really big bubbles, and I'm going to be showing in the next clips. You can use these in vacations, pools, outside, family reunions, and friends, and this is really fun, so I recommend it. They have 4 types of bubbles. The first one is a snowman winter edition. They have glow-in-the-dark stickers that you can put on these. And there's also a regular kind that's green and has a pink string. And there's a space edition that has space stickers also. Then, last but not least, we have a unicorn one. These are really fun, and in the next clips you get to see really big bubbles. Okay, so now we're going to put the mixture for the bubbles. Here's the bubbles. Let's cut it up. Then we're going to put it in it, all of it. Okay, so now we have the mixture for the soap. Then we put this in there. Put it in, mix it around, bring it up carefully. Ooh, now you make some bubbles. Wee. Really nice. Wee. This is super fun. I really like it. Look how big! Oh. Whoa. Ooh. Wow. Oh. Thank you so much, South Beach Bubbles, for sending me these bubbles. These were super fun, and I had lots of fun playing with these with my brother and my family. Go get them at South Beach Bubbles. The link will be in the description, and you can get some of your own. Have a nice day. Bye.